Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to make money with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a game changer. Imagine having a tool that can understand and generate human-like text with incredible accuracy. This isn't just another piece of software, it's a revolutionary technology that can transform the way you work and live. It's an AI that can understand and generate human-like text. This technology is powerful. It can assist you in writing, brainstorming, and even automating repetitive tasks. The possibilities are endless, and the potential is immense. You can use it to make serious money. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or someone looking to start a side hustle, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Don't wait. Get in the game. This isn't science fiction. This is real. People are already using ChatGPT to boost their income. From creating content to providing customer support, the applications are vast. You can too. It's not just about making money, it's about creating value and solving problems. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. The tools are at your fingertips. All you need is the determination to take the first step. Set your goals, make a plan, and let ChatGPT help you achieve them. ChatGPT is your tool for success. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, always ready to help you with your tasks. Imagine the efficiency and productivity you can achieve. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about working smart. By leveraging AI, you can optimize your workflow, make better decisions, and ultimately achieve more with less effort. ChatGPT can help you work less and earn more. It's about finding that perfect balance between work and life, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your labor without burning out. It's time to 10x your income goals. The future is here. Embrace the power of AI and let ChatGPT be the catalyst for your financial success. The opportunities are limitless and the time to act is now. Content is king online. Businesses need it. You can provide it. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for success. Companies are constantly on the lookout for fresh, engaging content to keep their audience hooked. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, articles, and social media updates. The demand is huge. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or a content creator, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon to produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Don't worry about being a writer. You don't need to be a professional writer to create compelling content. ChatGPT simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on your ideas and creativity. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. You provide the ideas, it creates the content. It's fast and efficient. Just input your thoughts and watch as ChatGPT transforms them into polished articles, blog posts, or social media updates in no time. Imagine writing 10 articles in a day. With ChatGPT, this isn't just a dream, it's a reality. You can significantly boost your productivity and output. ChatGPT can make it happen. It takes care of the writing, so you can focus on other important tasks like growing your business or engaging with your audience. That's more content, more clients, and more money. By producing more content, you can attract more clients and increase your revenue. It's a win-win situation. Scale your output and watch your income grow. With ChatGPT, you can take on more projects, meet tight deadlines, and ultimately see a significant boost in your earnings. Businesses need help, they need to automate tasks, they need chatbots. You can build them with ChatGPT. This is a hot market. Create chatbots for customer service, lead generation, or even sales. Businesses will pay for this service. It saves them time and money. You don't need to be a coding genius. ChatGPT makes it easy. Provide the information, the AI does the rest. It's a win-win for you and your clients. Customer service is crucial, but it's time-consuming. ChatGPT can handle it, offer 24/7 support with AI-powered chat, answer questions, resolve issues, and keep customers happy. ChatGPT can handle a large volume of inquiries. It never sleeps. It never gets tired. This is a valuable service for businesses. You can charge a premium, provide excellent customer service, and watch your profits soar. Section 5. Become a guru. ChatGPT as your knowledge base. Are you an expert? Share your knowledge with the world. Use ChatGPT to create online courses, ebooks, and webinars. ChatGPT can help you organize your thoughts and create compelling content. Reach a global audience and generate passive income. Share your expertise on any topic. Marketing, finance, cooking, you name it. ChatGPT can help you package your knowledge and sell it online. Section 6. Digital products on demand. Create, sell, and scale. In today's digital age, the demand for online content is skyrocketing. Digital products are the future. They offer a unique opportunity to generate passive income. Create and sell them with ChatGPT. Write ebooks, generate social media posts, and even develop comprehensive online courses. or even craft email sequences. The possibilities are endless. With ChatGPT, you can streamline your content creation process. ChatGPT can help you create high-quality products quickly. Its advanced AI capabilities ensure that your content is engaging and professional. Sell them on your website or through online marketplaces. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and your own e-commerce site are perfect for reaching potential customers. This is a scalable business model. As your product portfolio grows, so does your potential for revenue. Create once, sell multiple times. This means you can focus on creating new products while your existing ones continue to generate income. ChatGPT helps you reach a wider audience and maximize your profits. Utilize its tools to analyze market trends and optimize your sales strategy. Section 7. ChatGPT, your ticket to financial freedom. ChatGPT is more than just a tool, it's a gateway to financial freedom. Use it to create multiple streams of income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different avenues. ChatGPT can help you diversify your income and achieve your financial goals. The future is here. Embrace it. Use ChatGPT to take control of your finances and live life on your terms. Section 8. Take action. The future of money is now. Don't wait. The time to act is now. Start exploring the possibilities of ChatGPT today. The future of money is here. Learn the basics. Experiment with different applications. Find what works for you. The potential is limitless. ChatGPT is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. Use it ethically. Use it to create a better future for yourself and the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.